Hello everyone, Samuel here from creativetrainingsystem.com. Making this small video about this chart. It's a GJ 40-minute chart, right? And this is Elliott wave count here. You can see here's 1, ABC 2, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Basically, this is the diagram that tells you what it is, right? So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we come down for a retracement, A, B, C fashion, right? 3 waves, 5 waves going up, 3 waves coming down. So the chart that I made, just like that, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then A, this blue count, right? A, B, and I said, okay, we're going to be, if we stay below this, we're going to drop here. So C, around 61%. For a retracement. Simple as that, right? And this red X, A, B, C, and then here was D at the TL. That was a bad pattern. And then again, X, A, B, C, D, inverse bearish. This was a bullish bad pattern. And then this is a bearish bad pattern, right? So, it's a mix. If you know the study, both studies like Elliott wave and harmonic pattern, so you can pinpoint where the heck this price is going and what is cooking. Right. So what happened to this chart? And I said that I even posted on the Telegram that this is what it is, and I will be looking for short entries. Right. Obviously, if you need to come down here. So what happened? This is the first entry on the next day on the 28th. Then the second entry on the 29th. After the retracement, it gave me this, this one 50 pips, 75 pip, and here pound yen 30 pip, right there, right? So 60 on the 30th. So almost like 180, 85 pip in 3 days out of one pair, just by knowing the Elliott wave and harmonic pattern and all of that, right? Let me show you another example of harmonic pattern. For example, I have another one. I see this diagram. It says bearish bad pattern, right? So many other different pattern, but this one I located in the yen index the other day, right? This is the one. See that X, A, B, C, D. I said bouncing from 23% line, it will go up here. And what will happen to all yen pairs if it goes from here to here? This will happen. All yen pairs will go up, right? So so far so good. This is I call, and everybody else call, like plan your trade and then trade your plan, right? So I was ready here on the 21st January. I knew that based on this pattern, it's gonna go up from here to here, and then all yen pair will go up. And I don't trade all of them, but most of them, right? So let me show you how many trades I took from this by yen index going from here to here during that time, right? First trade, pound yen, 65 pip on the 21st, very same day. Euro yen 75 pip on the 21st. Euro yen again 85 pip on the 22nd. Pound yen 95 pip on the 22nd. See that? Then USD yen going up for 70 pip on the 22nd. Then Aussie yen going up for 60 pip on the 22nd. See that? And then 23rd, they retraced a little bit. And then after that, 24, 85 pip, Euro yen. Pound yen, 150 pip. Look at that. Because yen was weak and then pound got strong, very strong, and then boom, this pair is a monster. You know that, right? And but anyway, and then you can see that pattern, that index went from here straight up to my target. And because of this, all these almost 7, 8 big trades, right? 150 pip, 85 pip, 100 pip, some of those like 50, 60 pip. So this is how you can take the trades, and I have a very precise entry system that gives you a very precise entry, right? So if you like what you saw, you want to learn how to do this, these studies, and then everything else that Forex has to offer, you go on my website here, and then you have everything here. I have a one-on-one coaching. I still have a couple of spots left, so you can sign up with that. And if you mentioned email me and mention that you saw this video, and then you emailing me, then I'll give you 50% discount on that, right? You have courses here, same thing, harmonic pattern, Elliott wave course, right? My course, personal diagram and everything, and video course, by the way. This is the video course, right? And then if you don't want to be interacting one-on-one live on Zoom, then just get the courses, right? And here you have deals, combos, right? Like different things. Like this one has lifetime membership, Elliott course on mining, and an auto trading robot. So I have the robot that trades itself, open the trades and close the trades. Like for example here, this is the one right here. And then you see this little arrow, that means that my auto robot opened the trade. Similarly, if you look at this one, yes, this one also, this. So after the analysis, when I see that, yeah, this is what's going to happen, then I drop that EA on the chart. And even if I'm not there or sleeping or whatever, if the setup is there, that EA open the trade. That's how it is, right? So like I said, if you want any of these things, I just mention my that you saw the video, and you emailing me and you want to get that, and I'll give you the 50% discount. The discount is not on my website just yet, right? It is only for the people who see the video and then call me, email me, and you get the 50% discount. All right. So just wanted to show you that the power of these courses and learning all this Elliott wave harmonic pattern. I mean, I have so many charts, but the video is gonna be long, so I just gave you two examples. One Elliott wave, and the other one is the harmonic pattern, right? And every other pair, you will see that something is cooking, and then if you learn that what's happening, and then use my entry system, precise entries, and boom, you get the beautiful trade, right? So this is it for now. And don't forget to sign up or subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. And like I said, they just email me whatever you want from my website, and I'll give you the 50% discount. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.